Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Clarissa, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my fried apple pie. So let's cook. So I have 3 apples here. So I really wanted to use Fuji apples, but I shopped online and I guess they mixed up the Fuji apples with the red and delicious apples. So I'm just gonna roll with it. So you first want to start by peeling your apples. Next you just want to take your apple and cut them in half. Cut them again. And you just want to remove the core. Next, you just want to take your pieces and slice them out. And you just want to cut them up into small pieces like this. Now that these are all chopped up, we're going to take these over to the stove to cook up. Okay, so I have my pan heating up on a medium, and I'm just going to go ahead and add our apples in. Now to this you want to add about 1/4 cup of sugar and about 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And I'm just going to add in a pinch of salt. Now you just want to let your apples cook down until they soften up. Okay guys, so my apples are soft. I'm just going to go ahead and add in 2 tablespoons of butter. And you want to turn your flame down on a low. Now I'm going to put in about 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Now you want to just put a top on this and let it cook for about 10 minutes on low heat. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes. And now you just want to go in with your cornstarch slurry. And you want to mix 3 tablespoons of water to 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. And you want to mix that in. Now that this is thickened up, you want to turn your fire off and set this off to the side to cool off. So our apple filling is now cooled down. So now we're going to start making our pies. So I'm going to just set this off to the side, and I'm going to bring my egg roll wrappers in. And I'm going to start out with 4 wrappers. And you just want to find that middle part as best as you can. And you want to slice these in half. Like that. Now you're just going to take one of those pieces. And you want to spoon some of your mixture right down the middle. And you want to avoid getting it on the sides. So that looks good. Let me bring you guys in a little bit closer. So now you just want to wet the ends like this. And you want to take your wonton wrapper and put it like this over top. Just like that. Now if you want, you could take a fork and go around the edges like this. Just to make sure that your pieces are crimped together. And this is our first pie made. So I'm gonna set this off to the side on the baking sheet. I'm gonna continue to make my pies and I'll check back in with you guys when I'm all done. Okay guys, so this is my last one, but I wanted to show you what I've been doing. So my ends, I've just been taking the knife and just cleaning my ends up like this. But you don't have to do this if you don't want to, but it just makes your pie look better when you have those clean edges like that. So here are all of our pies, and what you want to do is go ahead and put these in the freezer for about 30 minutes so they can get cold. So while your pies are in the freezer, you want to go ahead and make your cinnamon sugar mixture. It's very important that you roll them around inside your cinnamon sugar mix while they're hot, because that oil is going to make the sugar and the cinnamon stick to your pies. And you want to make this by mixing up 1 cup of sugar to a 1/4 cup of cinnamon. So our pies have been in for 30 minutes, so we're going to go ahead and fry these up. Alright, now I'm going to take these out and I'm going to put this directly into my sugar and cinnamon mixture. I'm just going to take that one and I'm going to roll it around. I'm going to use my hands. Just like that. Gonna give it a light dusting, and I'm just gonna put this off on the side. So I'm gonna cook up the rest of my pies and I'll check back in with you guys. Okay guys, so here are our pies, and you can see they're nicely coated in that cinnamon and sugar. And I'm gonna break one open so you guys can see what it looks like on the inside. And look at that, guys. That looks so good. These are really hot right now, but look at that inside. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and put on your post notifications so you know when I upload new videos, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.